So we're gonna try out the Hercules 9-inch grinding wheel at 6,600 max RPM. We're gonna try it on a Milwaukee fuel brushless grinder. It's a 9-inch grinder. It's like one of the biggest grinders that they have. And I'm gonna take this off and put on this monster. Well, you know what? Actually, for this, I know I'm gonna need a guard. Let's put on the guard. There we go. Put this guy on. Oh, I don't need the I don't need this one then. I don't want to lose it though. But yo, does it even fit? Woo, barely. I can't even put this one on. Dude, that thing's humongous. Okay, put this over here. All right. Now, which battery should I try? The 12 amp, or should I try? Should I try the fake Milwaukee 15 amp? Nah, that's for another video. Or should I try the 6.0 Forge battery? Let's try the Forge. Let's see. It feels too heavy in the front. I'll try it out anyways, but I think with the 12.0, it's gonna balance. Oh yeah, that's balancing pretty well. Okay, let's try it out. Ready? Oh! That's a beast. That's a beast. Let's try out the other side, or I'll do that side, and then I'll try it with the 6.0. Oh, maybe it does work. Dude, that thing ate it up. Still 4 bars. Still 4 bars. I mean, it was just one shot, so I don't know. Let me see. You know, it kind of feels better with this one because I need most of the weight here instead of pushing it with my own, you know, strong arms. I think probably this one would be best because I'm putting most of the weight on this side instead of trying to balance it. But balancing would be right here. That's the balance right there. And then this one, the balance is almost about this, well, right there. It's pretty good for a workout. Nice. Overall, I think it's a good grinding wheel for this type of a grinder. So awesome. What do you guys think? What is it called? Follow, subscribe, like. Awesome. Thanks, guys.